Hello, in today's video I'm going to replace this stereo. This is from a 2010 Ford Explorer. The reason for this is because the screen is broken. And the procedure that I'm going to show in this video apply for different Ford models. I'm going to try to put a list in the description below. The first thing to do is open the console lid and remove these two screws. In order to do that, we're going to use a 7mm socket. Then we will remove this chrome ring that is around the shifter. And the next thing it will be remove this plastic that goes in the console. We will need to disconnect this harness. And then we need to take off this trim here in the center stack. Is this trim that goes around the stereo and also that holds the HVAC controls. We have to be careful in the bottom part. In order to snap off this thing, we have to push the lower portion towards the doors for both sides, towards the doors and then up. I'm gonna move the shifter towards the back of the car to have room to remove the plastic. But from behind the trim, there are several wires and harnesses connected to the controls. The only one that we have to disconnect is the one that is at the top, this one here, which is for the passenger airbag, I guess. But well, regardless, we just need to disconnect this one, and that will give us enough room to work and detach the stereo. To remove the stereo, we have to remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. The socket to use is a 7mm. In the back side of the stereo, we have 2 harnesses, and the antenna wire, we have to disconnect all of them. Now let's plug the new radio. And I'm just gonna place back the 4 screws that attach and hold the stereo to the IP. Okay, well, now that I know that my stereo is working fine, I turn it on and it's working. The display is working fine. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna place back this trim, connecting this harness first, and from now on basically what I'm gonna be doing is the same thing that we did, but just going backwards. So I am not gonna stop that much to explain anything. I'm just gonna show what I'm doing, but I expect that it's gonna be a easy process to follow for you guys. Alright, well, this trim has been placed, everything is working fine, my display is working. I'm just gonna finish up this work, placing the plastic that we removed from the shifter. I'm gonna connect this harness first. And finally, the trim that goes around the shifter. Well, that was it. As you saw, this is a really simple procedure to do. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.